The hallucinogenic alkaloid from a small Mexican mushroom used by Mexican Indians to induce nausea and muscular relaxation is called A. Psilocybin, B. Stipi, C. DMT, D. Ibogaine. Answer A. Psilocybin. The group of drugs that when introduced into the system of the body can produce mental alertness and wakefulness. A. Stimulants, B. Uppers, C. Speeds, D. All of this. Answer D. All of this. What opium preparation is combined with camphor to produce a household remedy for diarrhea and abdominal pain? A. Tincture opium, B. Raw opium, C. Paregoric, D. Granulated opium. Answer C. Paregoric. Cocaine is a stimulant drug. LSD is A. Hallucinogen, B. Narcotic, C. Solvent, D. Depressant. Answer A. Hallucinogen. Drugs like glue, gasoline, kerosene, ether, paint, thinner, etc. are called A. Solvents, B. Deliriants, C. Inhalants, D. All of this. Answer D. All of this. The group of drugs that are considered to be mind-altering and gives the general effect of mood distortion are generally called A. Sedatives, B. Hypnotic, C. Hallucinogens, D. Tranquilizers. Answer C. Hallucinogens. The strict code of conduct that governs the behavior of the mafia member is called A. Omerta, B. Triad, C. Silencer, D. Mafioso. Answer A. Omerta. What is the literal meaning of the term Cosa Nostra? A. Our thing, B. Omerta, C. Two things, D. Fifth estate. Answer A. Our thing. The criminal activity by an enduring structure or organization developed and devoted primarily to the pursuit of profits through illegal means, commonly known as A. Organized crime, B. Professional organization, C. White-collar crime, D. Blue-collar crime. Answer A. Organized crime. It refers to the collection of photographs of known criminals and their identities that are placed together in one file. This is known as A. Police file, B. Mag file, C. Individual file, D. Album. Answer B. Mag file.